Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Smart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Dear viewers, come closer to me because in this video I'm going to show you winter crochet wearing and articles. Respected viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find each and every new video for your knowledge. If you are new to the crochet movement, start off with some basic accessories, the bucket hat, and pair perfectly with a summer day dress, or add a little bit of texture of your outfit by accessorizing with other ladies' crochet earnings. If crafty fashion feels like too much of a divergence from your signature tailoring or minimalist approach to accessories, perhaps it's time to step out of your comfort zone. The benefit of crochet lies in its versatility. Pair a crochet clutch with grey suiting, a bucket hat with sporty beach wear. Just about anything maintaining your current style while experimenting is easy. Here are some crochet wearing benefits also. Crocheting accessories can be calming and meditative activity, reducing stress and anxiety. Personal expressions. Crochet accessories and winter wearing allow for endless creativity and personal expression through color, stitch, and design choices. Community building. Crocheting can bring people together through shared projects, patterns, and social media groups. Charitable opportunities. Crochet can be donated to those in need, such as cancer patients, homeless individuals, or newborn babies. Learning tools. Crocheting can teach new skills such as stitches, shaping, and finishing techniques. Relaxations. Wearing a crochet can be a cozy and comforting experience, perfect for relaxation. Photography prop. Crochet make great prop for photography, adding a pop of color and texture to photos. Fashion statement. Crochet can be a bold fashion statement, adding a touch of personality to outfits. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. Heirloom quality. Well-made crocheting can become treasured family heirlooms passed down through generations. Sense of accomplishment. Completing a crochet can give you a sense of pride and accomplishment, boosting self-confidence. Remember, crocheting are a fun and rewarding project that can bring numerous benefits to your life. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas. Thank you for watching our videos. Bye bye. Take care. See you in next video. Have a special look for these gloves. Really, it's very beautiful.